Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to change name in Trello. So this is actually pretty simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First step is to go in right here to your profile picture and click on it. Now this will expand this menu where you have to click Manage Account. This will open up new window and you should see your name right here. So scroll down and here you can see your full name. You can change it just by clicking on it, and let's say I want to change it to, and then just confirm with this icon. And as you can see, you have updated your full name. You can also change only your public name right here. So choose which one you want to change, whether it's your public or your full name, and then simply close this. And you should see that the change is not applied yet, but if you refresh this page, then you should be able to see the change right here. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.